Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can list NFT on Opensea. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you wanna search for opensea.io. Once you search for opensea.io, come to the website, connect your wallet. What you want to do is go on create, alright, because we want to list our NFT, so we have to go on create. Now before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's move on. Once you're over here, click on this and choose the photo which you want to upload our NFT. I want to upload this as an NFT, so I'm going to choose it and I'm going to name it tree. And over here you can put the link which can explain about this NFT, like your website or so. And over here in description you can write the description of this NFT, so I'm gonna write it's a tree. Sorry about that, it's a tree. And over here it says collectible, so I can select collection, but I don't want to, so I'm gonna leave it empty. And over here, if it is like a explicit content, you can turn this on, and if it is an unlockable content, you can turn this on. And over here you can choose the number of item that can be minted, no gas cost to you. You can choose the supply, you can choose which blockchain you want, so I'm gonna go with Polygon and I'm gonna click on create. Once I do that, it's gonna ask me if I'm a robot or not, so I'm gonna prove I'm not a robot, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna complete the human verification process. Once the human verification process is done, it says you just created tree, which means my tree NFT has been created. Now as you guys can see, I can go on sell, and as you guys can see, I can enter the amount for it. So I'm gonna set it for 1 ETH, and my duration, how long I want it for, I'm gonna do it for 6 months. After I choose that, I can click on complete listing. I wait for some time and it's confirming my listing. So I can click on approve, click on switch network. In your case, you might not have to switch networks, alright? I'm gonna click on got it, click on sign, and basically it has been done. My NFT has been listed. So that's how simple it is to list an NFT, alright? So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.